Hello everyone, today I'm going to show in this video tutorial that how I got Boom Beach Frontlines on my iPhone. So as you can see guys, I'm having the game right here on my iPhone and I'm going to open it so you can see that it works and runs perfectly. And I'm going to demonstrate to you in this video tutorial step by step that how you can get the game on your mobiles without needing to pay nothing for free in any country in the world. So practically in this method I'm going to demonstrate to you today how you can get it. It's pretty easy and pretty simple. You're going to see by yourself the steps how it's going to be. And it works for all kinds of devices, Android and iOS devices. So practically the same steps I'm showing you with my iPhone in this tutorial, you have to follow also for the Android devices. So we just open the game. We're in the loading process, a few seconds to get loaded, and you see that everything works and runs perfectly without any problem. So as you can see, I'm now inside of the game and playing with it. Okay. So you see guys that everything runs and works perfectly without any problem. So the next step, we're just going, okay, we'll not play anymore so I don't lose more time. So I'll show you how you can get the game and you can play by yourself on your phones. So practically before we start this downloading process, you need to make sure and you need to check in the settings. You have to go to make sure that you are not in low power mode, so practically go to the battery and check this sign over here. The yellow sign should be switched off in order the downloading process to be smooth, and you should have a good internet also. So next step, you have to go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use, and you need to search for a website called freeinjects.com. So I'm focusing right here for you guys. As you can see, you just enter inside of this website and you're going to face a bunch of other applications, many tweak and mod apps. So practically later on you can scroll it and you can check if you want to get any one of it for free. You can get it without any problem. So, or you can search in a searching box, for example, boom, you just press a keyword and it will show up the game practically. Download and play Boom Beach Frontlines on iOS and Android for free. You just press in the middle. Already have 400k downloads. You just press download now and wait a couple of seconds the downloading process to be done. So as you can see guys, the steps are quite simple and quite easy. All you have to do, you need to watch this video until the end and then to follow the mentioned steps. I need to mention to you one more time that also for the Android devices you have to do the same steps I'm showing you in this video tutorial to enable to get the game. And I need to mention to you that you can get it in any country in the world again. So the next steps guys is to go in to send you in the verifying zone, and it says download and complete the instructions below in order to unlock Boom Beach Frontlines on your device. So in order to unlock the game, you'll come in this stage and you're going to face a couple of applications, same as I did it practically, and how it worked for me. After I downloaded 2 of these apps and I followed the instructions, it popped up the game on my iPhone. So practically I'm going to show you step by step. State of survival, tap to install. It will send you automatically to the Apple Store in the case when you are using iPhones, and in Play Store in the case when you are using Android. So this means that the games are and apps are practically original apps. In this case to me it says open because I downloaded before for my game, but in your case you don't have the game, practically it will show you the sign of downloading. So what you have to do, you need to press to download the game. After downloading you need to open it, the game, for at least 30 seconds. This is enough time that is required that information and data processed from the website to the game practically. So after I downloaded the first game and I followed instruction open for at least 30 seconds, I got back to the website and I downloaded the second app, which is Stash. And if you go, for example, in the website, you see that I have State of Survival and over here Stash. There is nothing specific why I choose these two ones. I just find it more easy to do it. Maybe to you it will show also different apps because it depends on the region. So you just have to try it and this method, and you download and follow the instructions and it will pop up on your mobiles also the game. So practically guys, this is how it worked for me, and this is the way how I got Boom Beach Frontlines on my iPhone. So I'm opening one more time so you see that everything works and runs perfectly guys. So this is my video tutorials for today guys. Hope you enjoyed and hope you have fun with the game. If you liked my video and if it helped you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching. Cheers.